Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about the creative bits from chapter Polynomials. This is the one of the chapter of 10th class mathematics. Let's try to learn mathematics in a simple and easy way. Please watch video completely and try to understand the concept and remember it. Practice the solved questions. If you feel good, like it and share it with your friends. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, please subscribe the channel. What is a polynomial? Polynomial is made up of two terms, namely poly that mean many and nominal means terms. A polynomial is defined as an expression which is composed of variables, constants and exponents that are combined using mathematical operations such as additions, subtractions, multiplications, divisions. No division operation by a variable. Based on the number of terms present in the expression, it is classified as monomials, binomial and trinomial. On the screen you can see an example of polynomial. In this one, this polynomial has three terms, 3x square, 5y and 7. So in this one, the 3 and 5 are said to be as coefficients. So 3 is the coefficient of x square and 5 is the coefficient of y and 7 is a constant term. The term which without a variable is said to be as constant term and the operators are plus and minus. So 2 is the exponent. Degree of a polynomial. The degree of a polynomial is defined as the highest exponent of a monomial within a polynomial. You can see in the example, the first term has exponent as 2 and the second exponent as 1 and the third one constant term exponent as 0. So here the highest exponent is 2. So degree of this polynomial is 2. Now we see the questions. Question number 1. Which of the following is not a polynomial? The answers are given: A 5x to the power of 3 minus x by 2, B 3xy minus 4yz plus 2xz, and C option is 52x cube minus 19y to the power of 5, and the D option is 3 by x minus 5. You can see in the explanation, 3 by x minus 5 is not a polynomial because a polynomial should not contain division by a variable. It is still a valid expression. It just isn't a polynomial. And 5x cube minus x by 2 is a polynomial. You are allowed to divide by a constant. So the right answer is D. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a polynomial? You see the options. Option A is 3x, option B is x minus 2 by x, and option C is minus 6y square minus 5x, and option D is x by 3. X minus 2 by x is not a polynomial because a polynomial should not contain division by a variable. It is still a valid expression. It just isn't a polynomial, and x by 3 is a polynomial. You are allowed to divide by a constant. So the right answer is B. Question number 3. Which of the following is a polynomial? The options are given: 3x y to the power of minus 2 and 1 by x root x 5x square. You see in the explanation, 3x y to the power of minus 2 is not a polynomial because the exponent is minus 2. So exponents can only be 0, 1, 2. And in the second option, 1 by x is not a polynomial because the exponent is power as minus 1 or exponent as minus 1. And in third option, root x is not a polynomial because the exponent is 1 by 2. Exponents can only be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. No negative numbers and no fractions. So the right answer is D, 5x square. Question number 4. How many terms does the polynomial 2x plus 3 have? As you know, 2x plus 3, the terms of 2x plus 3 is 2x comma 3. So it has 2 terms. So the right answer is C. Question number 5. How many terms does the polynomial 2xy have? So 2xy is only single term. So the right answer is A. Question number 6. How many terms does the polynomial 3x to the power of 5 minus 2x to the power of 3 minus 4x plus 7 have? As you know, 3x to the power of 5 minus 2x to the power of 3 minus 4x plus 7 have 4 terms as 3x to the power of 5 comma 2x to the power of 3 comma 4x comma 7. So the right answer is A. Question number 7. If f of x and g of x are two polynomials, which of the following may not be a polynomial? When you add a polynomial, you get a polynomial. So the first option, f of x plus g of x is a polynomial. When you subtract polynomial, you get a polynomial. So f of x minus g of x also a polynomial. When you multiply polynomials, you get a polynomial. So f of x into g of x also a polynomial. F of x divided by g of x might be a polynomial, but it may not be. So the right answer is D. Question number 8. Write 7x square minus minus 4x to the power of 5 plus 12 plus 3x cube minus 2x plus 2x to the power of 4 in the standard form for a polynomial. The standard form for writing a polynomial is to put the term with the highest degree first, then the term with the next highest degree and the next highest degree. So x to the power of 5 comes before x to the power of 4 and x to the power of 4 comes before x to the power of 3, like this. So the standard form of the given equation, given polynomial is minus 4x to the power of 5 plus 2x to the power of 4 plus 3x to the power of 3 plus 7x square minus 2x plus 12. So the right answer is B. Question number 9. The degree of the polynomial x to the power of 4 minus x square plus 2. Degree is the highest power of the variables in any polynomial. So by observing this polynomial, the first term has the exponent as 4 and the second term has exponent as 2 and the third term exponent as 0. So the highest exponent is 4. So the highest power is 4. So the right answer is 4. So the option B is right answer. Question number 10. A polynomial of degree n has the options given only 1 0, at least n 0, more than n zeros, at most n zeros. As you know, x to the power of 5 means it has degree 5. So number of zeros also 5. So we can say as a polynomial of degree n has at most n zeros. So the right answer is D. Question number 11. P of x is equal to 6 is called dash polynomial. So it is said to be a 0 polynomial because it has the degree as 0. So P of x is equal to 6 is said to be as 0 polynomial. So the right answer is B. Question number 12. P of x is equal to 3x plus 1 is called dash polynomial. As you know, 3x plus 1, 2x minus 5x plus 10, like these polynomials are said to be as linear polynomial. So the right answer is A. Question number 13. P of x is equal to 4x square plus 1x plus 1 is called dash polynomial. Ax square plus bx plus c. It is a standard form of quadratic polynomials. So the right answer is C, quadratic polynomial. Question number 14. P of x is equal to 6x cube plus 4x square plus 3x plus 1 is called dash polynomial. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is the standard form of cubic polynomial. So the right answer is D. Question number 15. P of x is equal to 6x to the power of 4 plus 3x to the power of 3 plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1 is called dash polynomial. As you know, the standard form of biquadratic polynomial is x to the power of ax to the power of 4 plus bx to the power of 3 plus cx square plus dx plus c. So the right answer is D, biquadratic polynomial. Question number 16. P of x is equal to 6. In this one, what is the degree of this polynomial? So as you know, 6 is written as 6x to the power of 0. So here the power of x is 0. So degree is 0. So the right answer is D. Question number 17. P of x is equal to 3x plus 1. So what is the degree of the polynomial? So as you know, 3x to the power of 1 plus 1. So x has power 1. So it has the degree 1. So the right answer is A. Question number 18. P of x is equal to 4x square plus 1x plus 1. The degree of the polynomial. So as you see, the highest power of the polynomial is 2. So the degree also 2. So the right answer is B. Question number 19. P of x is equal to 6x to the power of 3 plus 4x square plus 3x plus 1. Degree of the polynomial. So you can see 6x to the power of 3. So the highest exponent is 3. So degree also 3. So the right answer is C. Question number 20. P of x is equal to 6x to the power of 4 plus 3x to the power of 3 plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So what is the degree of the polynomial? As you see, the highest exponent of the polynomial is 6x to the power of 4. In this one, the power is 4. So degree also the same, power 4. So the right answer is D. Question number 21. Degree of the zero polynomial. As you know, zero polynomial contains degree as 0. So the right answer is D. Question number 22. Degree of the linear polynomial. So you can see the example of linear polynomial 3x to the power of 1 plus 2. It has degree 1. So the right answer is A. Question number 23. Degree of the quadratic polynomial. As you know, the example of quadratic polynomial 5x square plus 3x1 plus 2. So it has degree 2. So the right answer is B. Question number 24. Degree of the cubic polynomial. So can you write cubic polynomial as 7x to the power of 3 plus 5x square plus 3x to the power of 1 plus 2. It has degree 3. So cubic polynomial has the degree 3. So the right answer is 3. Right answer is C. Question number 25. Degree of the biquadratic polynomial. You can see see the example of biquadratic polynomial on the screen. P of x is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 4x to the power of 3 plus 5x square plus 3x1 plus 2. So it has degree 4. So the right answer is 4. The option is option D is the right answer. Question number 26. The degree of the polynomial x to the power of 4 minus x square plus 2. So you can see in the explanation, degree is the highest power of the variable in any polynomial. So the polynomial has having the highest power as 4. So the degree is 4. So right answer is D. Question number 27. Write the degree of the polynomial 5x to the power of 7 minus 6x to the power of 5 plus 7x minus 4. So you can see in the explanation, degree is the highest power of the variable in any polynomial. So it has the highest power as 7. So degree also 7. So the right answer is A. Question number 28. 4y square minus 5y plus 1 is an example for this type of polynomial. So you know the quadratic polynomial, the standard form of the quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. So it also the same. So it is a quadratic polynomial. So the right answer is C. Question number 29. Write the degree of the polynomial 2 minus root x square minus 3x plus 1. So if you simplify the given polynomial 2 minus under root x square root get cancelled minus 3 plus 1. So it will become as 2 minus x minus 3x plus 1. If you simplify it, we will get as minus 2x plus 3. So x exponent is 1. The power of x is 1. So degree also equal to 1. So the right answer is C. Question number 30. 5x minus 3 represents which type of polynomial? You know the example of linear polynomial or standard form of linear polynomial is ax plus b. So it is in the form of ax plus b. So it has a linear polynomial. So the right answer is A. Question number 31. Write the degree of the polynomial root 2 x square minus 3x plus 1. As you know, ax square plus bx plus c is a quadratic polynomial which has degree 2. So root 2 x square minus 3x plus 1. The highest exponent of the x is 2. So the right answer is C. Question number 32. Find the coefficient of x square in the polynomial root 2 x square minus 3x plus 1. As you can see in the explanation, ax square that is equal to root 2 x square. So a is equal to root 2. So the right answer is A, root 2. Question number 33. Find the coefficient of x to the power of 7 in the polynomial 7x to the power of 17 minus 17x to the power of 11 plus 27x to the power of 5 minus 7. So you can see in the explanation, no term as the power x to the power of 7. So the value of coefficient of x to the power of 7 is 0. So the right answer is D. Question number 34. If p of x is a polynomial of degree 1 and p of a is equal to 0, then a is said to be. So the right answer is 0 of p of x. So the right answer is A. Question number 35. Standard form of 0 polynomial. As you know, p of x is equal to A is the standard form of 0 polynomial. So the right answer is D. Question number 36. Standard form of linear polynomial. As you know, standard form of linear polynomial is ax plus b. So the right answer is C. Standard form of quadratic polynomial is. As you know, the standard form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. So the right answer of question number 37 is B. Question number 38. Standard form of cubic polynomial. As you know, the standard form of cubic polynomial is ax to the power of 3 plus bx square plus cx plus d. So A is the right answer. Question number 39. Standard form of biquadratic polynomial. As you know, the standard form of biquadratic polynomial is x to the power of 4 plus bx to the power of 3 plus cx square plus dx plus d. So D is the right answer. Question number 40. A polynomial with degree 5 has. If you see in the explanation, the option A contains 3 terms as 2x to the power of 3 y to the power of 2. So degree of this term is 5 and the second term 5x cube plus y cube. The degree of this term is 6 and the third term 4xy. So it has the degree as 2. So this is not a answer. Why? Because it has the degree 6. So if you see the option B, the first term of B option is degree of the first option is 6 and second term is 5 and third term is 4. So it also is not a proper answer of the question. If you see the third option, the first term has degree as 5, the second term has degree as 5 and the third term degree as 2. So in D option, the degree of first term is 7, the second term is 6 and the third term is 5. By observing these 4 answers, you can say as the degree of the first option is 6 and the second option is 6 and the fourth option is 7. So the right answer is C. It has degree as 5. Question number 41. Constant in the polynomial 2x square plus 5x plus 4. The term without variables is said to be as constant term. So the right answer is 4. So the option C is the right answer. Question number 42. Constant in the polynomial minus xa minus 8a to the power of 4 plus 2x plus 7. So the right answer is C, 7. Question number 43. Constant in the polynomial 3x minus 9. So minus 9 is the right answer. So the option C is right answer. Question number 44. Find the coefficient of x to the power of 4 in the polynomial 3x to the power of 4 minus 11. As you can see, the coefficient of x to the power of 4 is 3. So the right answer is A. Question number 45. Find the coefficient of x to the power of 3 in the polynomial 3x square minus 6x plus x to the power of 3 minus 18. The coefficient of x to the power of 3 is 1. So the right answer is C. Question number 46. Find the coefficient of x square in the polynomial 3x square minus 6x plus x to the power of 3 minus 18. So you can see the coefficient of x square is 3. So the right answer is A. Question number 47. Degree of the polynomial 5x to the power of 4 into y. 5x to the power of 4 into y is a single term. So it has degree as the exponent of x plus the exponent of y. So we will get as 4 plus 1. So the right answer is 5. So option D is the right answer. Question number 48. Degree of the polynomial 2 into x to the power of 3 into y to the power of 3. By adding the powers of x and y, we will get as 6. So the right answer is A. Question number 49. Degree of the polynomial 8x square y cube. Degree of the polynomial 8x square y cube. So by adding both the powers 2 plus 3, we will get as 5. So the right answer is A. Question number 50. Degree of the polynomial 5x to the power of 4y minus 2x to the power of 3y to the power of 3 plus 8x square y cube minus 12. It has 4 terms. The degree of the first term is 4 plus 1 5, and the degree of the second term is 3 plus 3 6, and the degree of the third term is 2 plus 3 5, and the degree of the fourth term is 0. So you can say as 6 is the highest exponents in the polynomial. So we can say as option B, 6 is the right answer. Question number 51. X comma minus 5xy comma 6y square. Examples of dash poly. So you can see these are the single term polynomials. So we call as monomials. So the right answer is A. Question number 52. Examples of binomial. Binomial means two terms. You can see option A, option B, option C. Both the three answers are having as 2 terms. So these are the binomials. So the D option, all are correct, are the right answer. Question number 53. Example of trinomial. So trinomial means 3 terms. As you see, option A, option B and option C are having 3 terms. So all these are the correct answers. So the right answer is D. All are correct. Question number 54. Write 8v square plus 4v to the power of 8 plus 8v to the power of 5 minus v cube in the standard form. So as you know, standard form is nothing but the exponents as in descending order. So A is the right answer. 4v to the power of 8 plus 8v to the power of 5 minus v to the power of 3 plus 8v square. So in this polynomial, the terms are in the descending order of exponents. So A is the right answer. Question number 55. P of x is equal to 4x square minus 3x minus 1. Then find P of 1. As you substitute the value of x as 1, so we will get as 4 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 minus 1. So by simplifying, we will get as 4 minus 3 minus 1. So 4 minus 1, that is equal to 0. So A is the right answer. So number 56. P of x is equal to x square minus 5x minus 6. Then find P of 2. You can see in the explanation, if you substitute 2 in place of x, the P of x becomes as 2 square minus 5 into 2 minus 6 is equal to 4 minus 10 minus 6. If you add minus 10 and minus 6, we will get as minus 16. So 10 minus 16 is equal to minus 6. So the right answer is A, minus 6. Question number 57. P of x is equal to x square minus 5x minus 6. Then find P of 3. If you substitute 3 in place of x, we will get as 3 square minus 5 into 3 minus 6. That is equal to 3 3 is a 9, 5 3 is a 15 minus 6. So 9 minus 15 minus 6, that is equal to 9 minus 21. So the right answer is minus 12. So the right answer is A. Question number 58. P of x is equal to x cube minus x square plus x minus 1. Then find P of 1. If you substitute 1 in place of x, we will get as 1 to the power of 3 minus 1 square plus 1 minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So we will get as 0. So the right answer is A. Question number 59. 0 of the polynomial ax plus b. As you know, if ax plus b equals to 0, then ax is equal to minus b and x is equal to minus b by a. So the right answer is D, minus b by a. Question number 60. 0 of the polynomial 3x minus 12. If you simplify 3x minus 12, we make it 0. So 3x minus 12 is equal to 0 means 3x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 by 3, that is x is equal to 4. 4. So the right answer is B. Question number 61. 0 of the polynomial 3x minus 1 by 2. If we make 3x minus 1 by 2 equal to 0, we will get as 3x is equal to 1 by 2. So x is equal to 1 by 2 into 3, that is equal to 1 by 6. So C is the right answer, 1 by 6. Question number 62. 0 of the polynomial 2 by 3x minus 4 by 3. If we make 2 by 3x minus 4 by 3 equal to 0, we will get as 2 by 3x is equal to 4 by 3. So x is equal to 4 into 3 by 2 into 3. 3 get cancelled, 2 1s are 2 2s are, so with the value of the x is equal to 2. So the right answer is D. Question number 63. 0 of the polynomial 2x minus 3 plus 3x plus 3. So if you add minus 3 plus 3, will get a 0. So 2x plus 3x is nothing but 5x. So 5x is equal to 0 means x is equal to 0. So the right answer is A. Question number 64. Find the 0 of x square minus 5x plus 6. If we make factorize 6 as minus 3 into minus 2. So in place of minus 5x, we are adding here minus 3x minus 2x. So after writing this is like this, x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. So by taking x common, we will get as x minus 3, and in the second two terms we will get as minus 2 as common, we will get as x minus 3. So both the terms are having same term x minus 3, x minus 3. If you take x minus 3 as common, the remain will be x minus 2. If x minus 3 becomes 0, x will be 3. X minus 2 becomes 0, x is equal to 2. So the right answer is 2, 3. So A is the right answer. Question number 65. Find the zeros of x square plus 5x plus 6. You can see in the explanation x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Means if 5x is written as 3x plus 2x, why? Because 6 is there. The factors of 6 are 3 and 2. By adding these two, we will get as 5. So the equation will be as x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. If you take x common from the first two terms, we will get as x plus 3. From the last two terms, if we take common as 2, we will get as x plus 3. By taking x plus 3 common, will remain, that will be x plus 2. If you make x plus 3 equal to 0, we will get as x is equal to minus 3. If you make x plus 2 is equal to 0, we will get as x is equal to minus 2. So the right answer is D answer, minus 2, minus 3. Question number 66. Find the zeros of x square minus x minus 6. You can see in the explanation x square minus x minus 6. If you take the factors of 6, we will get as 2, 3. So here minus 1x is there. We have to take the first one, capital one, as minus and smallest one plus. So here we have taken as minus 3x plus 2x. To substitute in place of minus x as minus 3x plus 2x. So we will get as x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. Taking x common, we will get as x minus 3, and taking plus 2 as common, we will get as x minus 3. In both the terms, if you take x minus 3 as common, the remain will be x plus 2. If you make x minus 3 is equal to 0, we will get as x is equal to 3. If you make x plus 2 is equal to 0, we will get as x is equal to minus 2. So the right answer is minus 2, 3. So right answer is B. Question number 67. Find the zeros of x square plus x minus 6. The factors of 6 are 3, 2. Here plus 1x is there. So we have to take the greatest one as plus and smallest one as minus. So plus 3x minus 2x we will get as plus 1x. So if you substitute 3x minus 2x in place of x, we will get as x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. By taking common x from first two terms, we will get as x plus 3. If you take minus 2 common from last two terms, we will get as x plus 3. By taking first and second term common as x plus 3, we will get as x minus 2. So if you make x plus 3 is equal to 0, x value will be minus 3. If you make x minus 2 will be 0, the value of x is equal to 2. So the right answer is C, 2, minus 3. Question number 68. Find the sum of the zeros of a polynomial x square plus bx plus c. You can see in the explanation x minus alpha into x minus beta is equal to, given that ax square plus bx plus c. If you divide by a, we'll get as x square plus bx by a plus c by a. If you write like this, x square minus of minus b by a of x plus c by a. So here alpha plus beta value is minus b by a, and alpha into beta value is c by a. So sum of the zeros is minus b by a, and the product of the zeros is c by a. So the right answer is b minus b by a. Question number 69. Find the product of the zero of the polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. As you can see in the last question, the product of the roots ab is nothing but c by a. So the right answer is c by a. Question number 70. Write the sum of the zeros of bx square plus ax plus c. Here if you compare with the standard form equation ax square plus bx plus c, here the sum of the zeros is minus b by a. So in the given expression, the b value is a and the a value is b, so the answer is minus a by b. So right answer is b minus a by b. Question number 71. Write the product of the zeros of bx square plus ax plus c. If you compare with the standard equation ax square plus bx plus c, here in place of a there is b, so the right answer is c by b. That is the answer. C is the right answer. Question number 72. Find the sum of the zeros of p of x is equal to x minus 2 into x plus 3. If you multiply x minus 2 into x plus 3, we will get as x square plus x minus 6. Here comparing with the standard equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 6. So sum of the zeros is nothing but b by a minus b by a. So we will get as minus of 1 by 1, that is equal to minus 1. So the right answer is D. Question number 73. Find the product of zeros of p of x is equal to x minus 2 into x plus 3. If you multiply x minus 2 with x plus 3, we will get as x square plus x minus 6. Comparing with the standard equation, we will get as a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 6. So product of the zeros is nothing but c by a. So the value of c is minus 6 and the value of a is 1. So we put the values of c by a in the given expression, we will get as minus 6 by 1, that is equal to minus 6. So the right answer is D. Question number 74. Find the value of x which satisfied 2 bracket of x minus 1 minus of 1 minus x is equal to 2x plus 3. If you simplify the given expression as 2x minus 2 into minus 1 into minus of minus x is nothing but plus x, that is equal to 2x plus 3. If you add the x values, we will get as 3x, and if you add the constant values as minus 3, so 3x minus 3 is equal to 2x plus 3. By taking same values in one side, 3x minus 2x is equal to 3 plus 3, that is 1x is equal to 6. So the right answer is A. Question number 75. Find the product of the zeros of 2x square minus 3x plus 6. As you know, the standard equation is ax square plus bx plus c. If you compare the values, we will get as a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, and c is equal to 6. We know that the product of zeros is nothing but c by a. So the value of c is 6 and the value of a is 2. So the answer will be 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. So the right answer is B. Question number 76. Find the sum of the zeros of the polynomial x square plus 5x plus 6. If you compare with the standard form of equation ax square plus bx plus c, the value of a is equal to 1, the value of b is 5, the value of c is 6. We know that the formula for sum of the zeros is minus b by a. If you put the value of b and a, we will get as minus 5 by 1, that is equal to minus 5. So the right answer is C. Question number 77. Find the sum of the zeros of the polynomial 2x square minus 8x plus 6. If you compare with the standard equation, standard polynomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c, by comparing the values, the value of a is 2, the value of b is minus 8, and the value of c is 6. We know the formula for sum of zeros, that is equal to minus b by a. As you know, the value of b is nothing but minus 8, so minus of minus 8 by the value of a is 2. So here minus of minus 8 by 2, so minus multiplied we will get as plus, so 8 by 2. If you divide numerator and denominator by 2, we will get as 4. 2 ones are 2 fours are. So the right answer is B. Question number 78. If alpha and beta are the zeros of x square plus x plus 1, then find alpha plus beta. If you compare with the standard equation ax square plus bx plus c, the values of a is 1, the value of b is 1, and the value of c is 1. We know that sum of the roots is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, that is minus 1 by 1, that is equal to minus 1. So the right answer is D. Question number 79. If alpha and beta are the zeros of x square plus x plus 1, then find alpha into beta. We know that the product of the roots, product of the zeros are c by a. So the value of c is 1 and the value of a is 1. So 1 by 1 we will get as 1. So the right answer is C. Question number 80. Find factors of x square plus x of a plus b plus a plus b plus a into b. You can see in the explanation x square plus x of a plus b plus ab is equal to x square plus ax plus bx plus ab. If you take common x from first two terms, we will get as x into x plus a. If you take b common from last two terms, we will get as b into x plus a. Both the terms are having the same factor as x plus a. By taking x plus a as common, the remain will be x plus b. So x plus a into x plus b is the factors of the given expression. So the right answer is A. Question number 81. In the product x plus 4 into x plus 2, write the constant term. By multiplying both the terms, we will get as x square plus 6x plus 8. So the constant term is 8. Another way, if you multiply the constant of first term and constant of second term, that is 4 into 2, we will get as 8. So the right answer is A. Question number 82. Find the product of zeros of 3x square is equal to 1. You see in the explanation 3x square is equal to 1, that is equal to 3x square minus 1 is equal to 0. If you compare with the standard equation, a is equal to 3, b is equal to 0, c is equal to minus 1. We know the formula for product of zeros, that is c by a. The value of c is minus 1, the value of a is 3. So we will get as minus 1 by 3. So the right answer is A. Question number 83. Find a quadratic polynomial, the sum of whose roots is 0 and one of them is 4. So the the sum of the roots as alpha plus beta is equal to 0 and one of them is 4 means b is equal to 4. If you substitute the value b is equal to 4 in a plus b is equal to 0, the value of a is equal to minus 4. So the two roots are there, one is 4 and another one is minus 4. So 4 and minus 4 are the zeros of the polynomial. If you take some alpha plus beta is equal to 0 and alpha into beta, that is equal to 4 into minus 4 is minus 16. If you substitute the values of alpha plus beta into alpha into beta in the given expression, we will get as x square minus of 0x minus of 16 is equal to 0. So 0x nothing but 0. So x square minus 16 is equal to 0 is the given polynomial, quadratic polynomial. So the right answer is C. Question number 84. If p of x is equal to x square minus ax minus 3 and p of 2 is equal to minus 3, then find the value of a. You see in the explanation, p of x is equal to x square minus ax minus 3. If you substitute x as 2, we'll get as 2 square minus 2 of a minus 3, that is equal to minus 3 given in the question. So 1 minus 2a is equal to minus 3. So 2 to the 4, 4 minus 3 is 1. So 1 minus 2a is equal to minus 3. So 4 minus 2a is equal to 0. So 2a is equal to 4. A is equal to 4 by 2, we'll get as 2. So D is the right answer. Question number 85. If 3 is one of the zeros of p of x is equal to x square plus kx minus 9, then find the value of k. In the question given that p of x is equal to x square plus kx minus 9 and 3 is one of the zero means x is equal to 3. If you take x is equal to 3 or substitute the value of x is 3 in the given expression, p of 3 is equal to 3 square plus 3k minus 9, that is equal to 0. So 3 square is nothing but plus 9 minus 9 get cancelled. So 3k is equal to 0, k is equal to 0 by 3, that is equal to 0. So the right answer is C. Question number 86. Make a quadratic polynomial having 2 and 3 as zeros. Sum of the zeros is 5 and the product of the zeros is 6. If you substitute alpha plus beta value and alpha into beta value in the given expression, x square minus of alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0, we will get as x square minus 5x plus 6. So the right answer is A, x square minus 5x plus 6. Question number 87. Write a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. If you take the values of alpha plus beta, root 2 minus root 2 get cancelled and the value of the alpha plus beta will be 0. So alpha into beta is nothing but 2 into minus root 2, that is minus 2. So you substitute the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta in the given expression, x square minus of alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. We will get as x square minus 0x plus minus of 2 equal to 0, that is x square minus 2 is equal to 0. So the right answer is C. Question number 88. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus x minus 6, then find alpha square beta square. We know that alpha into beta is the formula C by A. So in this one the values of C is minus 6 and A is 1. If you substitute the values of C by A, we will get as minus 6 by 1, that is equal to minus 6. So we have to find the alpha beta whole square, that is minus 6 whole square. So 6 is the 36. So the right answer is D. Question number 89. If 4 is one of the zeros of polynomial p of x, that is x square plus kx minus 8, then the value of k is, we have to find the value of k. So given expression is p of x is equal to x square plus kx minus 8. If you substitute the value of x as 4, we will get as 4 square plus 4 into k minus 8 is equal to 0. If you simplify the equation, 16 plus 4k minus 8 is equal to 0. 4k plus 8 is equal to 0. So 4k is equal to minus 8. So k is equal to minus 8 by 4. So 4 1s are 4 2s are. So we will get as k value minus 2. So the right answer is A. Question number 90. If one zero of the polynomial f of x is equal to 5x square plus 13x plus k is reciprocal of the other, then find the value of k. You see in the explanation, if alpha is x, then beta is equal to 1 by x. If you compare the values of standard equation ax square plus bx plus c with 5x square plus 13x plus k, we will get as a is equal to 5, b is equal to 13 and c is equal to k. We know that alpha into beta and product of the zeros is alpha into beta, that is equal to x into 1 by x. So given value is c value is k and a value is 5. So we will write as k by 5. So x get cancelled. 1 is equal to k by 5. So that implies that k is equal to 5. So the right answer is D. Question number 91. One zero of the polynomial 2x square plus 3x plus k is 1 by 2, then find k. So 2x square plus 3x plus k is, substitute the value of x is 1 by 2, we will get as 2 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus k is equal to 0. So 2 into 1 by 2 whole square is 2 by 4, we will get as 1 by 2. 3 into 1 3 by 2 plus k is equal to 0. So 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is nothing but 4 by 2. But dividing by 2 on both numerator and denominator, we will get as 2. So 2 plus k is equal to 0. So k is equal to minus 2. So the right answer is A. Question number 92. If root 3 and minus minus root 3 are the zeros of a polynomial p of x, then find p of x. You see, first explanation, x square minus alpha plus beta of x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. If you add alpha plus beta, root 3 minus root 3 will get as 0. Alpha into beta is equal to 3 into root minus root 3 will get as minus 3. Substitute the alpha plus beta and alpha into beta values in the given expression, will get as x square minus 0 of x plus of minus 3 is equal to 0. So x square minus 3 is equal to 0 is the given answer. The second method is given here, x minus alpha into x minus beta, that is x minus root 3 into x plus root 3. It is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So a minus b into a plus b is nothing but a square minus b square. So we'll get as x square minus root 3 whole square. Root 3 square cancelled. So x square minus 3 is the given expression. So the right answer is A. Question number 93. Find the polynomial whose zeros are minus 5 and 4. In the first method, you will see as x minus alpha into x minus beta is equal to x plus 5 into x minus 4. That is equal to x square plus 5x minus 4x minus 20. By adding plus 5x minus 4x, we will get as plus 1x. So x square plus x minus 20 is the right answer. In the second method, you can see as x square minus alpha plus beta of x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. So if you add alpha plus beta, will get as minus 1. If you multiply alpha into beta, will get as minus 20. So if substitute the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta in the given expression, will get as x square plus x minus 20. So the right answer is D. Question number 94. Make a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 5 and minus 2. We know that alpha plus beta is equal to 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. Alpha into beta is equal to 5 into minus 2, that is equal to minus 10. If you substitute the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta in the given expression, we'll get as x square minus 3x minus 10. So the right answer is B, x square minus 3x minus 10. Question number 95. Write the quadratic polynomial whose sum and products of zeros are 1 and minus 2 respectively. So alpha plus beta is given as 1 and alpha into beta is given as minus 2. If you substitute both the values in the given expression, we will get as x square minus x minus 2. So the right answer is D, x square minus x minus 2. Question number 96. If 1 is the zero of the quadratic polynomial x square plus a kx minus 5, then find the value of k. P of x is given as x square plus kx minus 5. If you substitute the value of x as 1 in the given expression, we will get as 1 square plus k of 1 minus 5 is equal to 0. 1 square is 1, k into 1 is k, minus 5 as it is equal to 0. So minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. K minus 4 is equal to 0. That is k is equal to 4. So the right answer is B. Question number 97. Find a quadratic polynomial. The sum of the zeros is 0 and the product of the 0 is 3. So we have the formula to write a polynomial, quadratic polynomial, x square minus of alpha plus beta of x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Given that alpha plus beta is equal to 0 and alpha into beta is equal to 3. If you substitute both the values in the given expression, we will get as x square minus 0x plus 3. So the final answer will be x square plus 3. So the right answer is B. Question number 98. If alpha plus beta is equal to 0, alpha into beta is equal to root 3, then write the quadratic polynomial. We know the formula for the quadratic polynomial, x square minus alpha plus beta of x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. In the question given that alpha plus beta is equal to 0, alpha into beta is equal to root 3. If you substitute the values in the given expression, we will get as x square minus 0x plus root 3, that is equal to x square plus root 3. So the right answer is A. Question number 99. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to 2x square plus 5x plus k, satisfying the relation alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta is equal to 21 by 4, then find the value of k. You see in the explanation, we know the formula to get quadratic equation by the roots is x square minus alpha plus beta of x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. So by taking the values from given expression, p of x is equal to 2x square plus 5x plus k, a is 2, b is equal to 5 and c is k. Substitute the values as a alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, so the value will be minus 5 by 2, and alpha into beta, that is c by a, will substitute the value of c as k and the substitute the value of a as 2. So alpha into beta is equal to k by 2. Alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta plus alpha beta is the formula. We substitute the values alpha plus beta whole square and minus 2 alpha beta plus alpha beta will get as minus alpha beta. So the relation will be alpha plus beta whole square minus alpha beta. If you substitute the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta in the given expression, we will get as minus 5 by 2 whole square minus k by 2, that is equal to given as 21 by 4 in the question. Alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta is equal to 21 by 4. If you solve the remaining equation, we'll get as 5 minus 5 whole square is nothing but 25, 2 square is 4 minus k by 2. So 25 by 4 minus k by 2 is equal to 21 by 4. That is equal to 25 minus 2k by 4. That is equal to 21 by 4. If you cancel 4, we'll get as 25 minus 2k is equal to 21. 2k is nothing but 25 minus 21. So 2k is 4. Cancelling, dividing 2 on both sides, we'll get as k is equal to k is equal to 2. So the right answer is B. Question number 100. When p of x is equal to x square minus 8x plus k leaves 0 remainder when it is divided by x minus 1, then find k. So p of x is given, p of x is equal to x square minus 8x plus k. If you substitute the value x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 in the given expression, x is equal to 1 as. So p of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 8 into 1 plus k. That is equal to 1 minus 8 plus k. So minus 7 plus k is equal to 0. So k value will be 7. So the right answer is D. Question number 101. If the polynomial p of x is equal to x cube minus x square plus 3x plus k is divided by x minus 1, the remainder of is 3, then find the value of k. If you substitute x as 1, because x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. If you substitute 1 as in place of x, we will get as p of 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 3 plus k. That is equal to 3 as given in the question. K is equal to 3 minus 3. So the value of k is equal to 0. So the right answer is B. Question number 102. If m and n are zeros of the polynomial x square plus 5x minus 6, then find the value of mn plus nm. If you take the factors of x square plus 5x minus 6, we'll get as x square minus 6x plus x minus 6. If you take x common, x into x minus 6 and plus 1 as common, 1 into x minus 6. If you take x minus 6 common, the remain will be x plus 1. So if you make x minus 6 is equal to 0, we'll get as x, m is equal to 6. If you make x plus 1 is equal to 0, n will get as minus 1. So mn plus nm is nothing but 2mn. So 2 into 6 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 12. So the right answer is C. Another way, the product of the zeros is c by a. If you compare with the polynomial, standard polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. C is minus 6 and a is 1. So c by a is nothing but minus 6 by 1, that is equal to minus 6. So 2mn is equal to 2 into minus 6. So we'll get as minus 12. So the right answer is C, minus 12. Question number 103. If the product of zeros 9x square plus 3x plus p is 7, then find the value of p. We know the formula, the product of the zeros is c by a. If you compare with standard quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, so c by a is nothing but p by 9. So p by 9 is given in the question as 7. So 9 7 is 63. So the value of p is 63. So the right answer is A. Question number 104. If one of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is 0, then find the other zero. We know that the sum of the zeros is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. If you compare with the standard polynomial, so here 0 is given as 0. So substitute alpha is equal to 0 in the given expression. So 0 plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So b is nothing but minus b by a. So the right answer is D. Question number 105. Alpha is equal to a minus b and beta is equal to a plus b. Then make the quadratic polynomial. We know the formula for the quadratic polynomial: x square minus alpha plus beta of x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. If you substitute alpha value and beta value in the given expression, we'll get as x square minus half bracket of a minus b plus a plus b of x plus a minus b into a plus b is equal to 0. So by cancelling minus b plus b, we'll get as a plus a is 2a. So x square minus 2ax, and we know the formula for a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So the final equation will be x square minus 2ax plus a square minus b square is equal to 0. So the right answer is A. Question number 106. Find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 4 plus root 5 and 4 minus root 5. If you substitute the values of alpha and beta in the given expression, we will get as x square minus bracket of 4 plus root 5 plus 4 minus root 5 of x plus 4 plus root 5 into 4 minus root 5. In second term, there is two terms as plus root 5 and minus root 5. They get cancelled. 4 plus 4 is 8. And in the third term, a plus b into a minus b, as we know that the formula of a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So 4 square minus root 5 whole square is 5. So 16 minus 5 11. So the final expression will be x square minus 8x plus 11 is equal to 0. So the right answer is B. Question number 107. Find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Alpha plus beta is equal to 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 will get as 4, and alpha into beta is equal to 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 will get as 2 square 4 minus root 3 whole square is 3. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. If you substitute the value of the alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, we will get as x square minus 4x plus 1. So the right answer is C, x square minus 4x plus 1. Question number 108. Prepare a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are root 3 and minus root 3. So we know the formula for quadratic polynomial x square minus alpha plus beta of x plus alpha into beta. To substitute the values of alpha and beta in the given expression, we will get as x square minus root 3 minus root 3 of x plus root 3 into minus root 3 is equal to 0. So root 3 minus root 3 get cancelled. So x square minus 0 of x plus root 3 into minus root 3 is nothing but minus root 3. So x square minus root 3 is equal to 0 is the right answer. So right answer is D. Question number 109. Find the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to 4x square minus 12x plus 9. 4x square minus 12x plus 9 is equal to 0. As you know, 4x square is a perfect square and 9 is a perfect square. So it is in the form of a minus b whole square. That is a square minus 2ab plus b square. If you write in this form, the answer will be as 2x whole square minus 2 into 2x into 3 plus 3 whole square. So the final answer will be 2x minus 3 whole square. If you make 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is as 3 by 2. So here the degree of the polynomial is 2. So there are two roots 3 by 2 comma 3 by 2. So the right answer is C. Question number 110. Find the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to 4x square minus 4x plus 1. You see in the explanation, 4x square is a perfect square and 1 is a perfect square. So it is in the form of a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So if you convert this in the form of a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 4x square is written as 2x whole square minus 2 into 2x into 1 plus 1 whole square, that is equal to 2x minus 1 whole square. If you make 2x minus 1 whole square is equal to 0, x will get as 1 by 2. So it is a quadratic polynomial, so it has two roots 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So the right answer is C. Question number 111. Find sum of the zeros of the polynomial 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. As you know the formula, sum of the zeros is alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. So the value of b is 3. So minus 3 by 2. The value of a is 2. So the answer will be as minus 3 by 2. So the right answer is minus 3 by 2 D. Question number 112. Find alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha from the polynomial 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. We know the formula, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma a. Gamma alpha is equal to c by a. So the value of c is 4 and the value of a is 2. So it is written as 4 by 2. By cancelling numerator and denominator by 2 will get as 2. So the right answer is A. Question number 113. Find alpha into beta into gamma from the polynomial 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. By comparing the standard equation, the value of A is 2, B is 3, C is 4, D is 5. So alpha into beta into gamma is nothing but minus D by A. If you substitute the value, we will get as minus 5 by 2. So the right answer is A. Question number 114. Find sum of the zeros of the polynomial x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 4. If you compare with the standard form of polynomial, the value of a is 1, b is minus 2, c is 3 and d is equal to minus 4. We know the formula for sum of the zeros is minus b by a. So minus of minus 2 by 1, that is equal to 2. So the right answer is A. Question number 115. If x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 4 is the polynomial, then find alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha. By comparing the standard form of equation, the values of a is equal to 1, so the value of b is equal to minus 2, the value of c is equal to 3 and the value of d is equal to minus 4. So if substitute the value of c by a, we will get as 3 by 1. So the right answer is 3. The option C is the right answer. Question number 116. If x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 4 is a polynomial, then we have to find alpha into beta into gamma. So we know the formula for alpha into beta into gamma is minus d by a. So the value of d is minus 4 and the value value of a is 1. If you substitute the values in the given expression, we will get as minus of minus 4 by 1. So the final answer will be 4. So the right answer is D. Question number 117. Find alpha square plus beta square from the polynomial x square minus 3x plus 2. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. If you compare with the standard form of equation ax square plus bx plus c, the value of a is 1, the value of b is minus 3, the value of c is 2. If you substitute the values in alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, we'll get as 3 square minus 2 of 2, that is 3 square 9, 9 minus 4 is nothing but 5. So the right answer is B. Question number 118. Find alpha square plus beta square from the polynomial x square minus 4x plus 4. If you compare with standard quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, the value of a is 1, the value of b is minus 4 and the value of c is 4. If you substitute the values in alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, that is minus of minus 4 by 1, so that is equal to 4, and alpha into beta is c by a, so that is 4 by 1 is equal to 4. We know the formula alpha square plus beta square is nothing but alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. If you substitute the alpha plus beta into beta values in the given expression, we will get as 4 square minus 2 of 4. So 16 minus 8 is 8. So the right answer is C. Question number 119. If alpha is equal to 5 is 0 of the polynomial, then find the polynomial. We know the formula for the linear equation x minus a is equal to 0. If you substitute a as alpha is equal to 5, so the final answer will be x minus 5 is equal to 0. So the right answer is A. Question number 120. If alpha is equal to 4 by 3 is 0 of the polynomial, then polynomial is dash. So it is a linear polynomial. X minus alpha is equal to 0 is the formula. If you substitute the value of alpha as 4 by 3, we'll get as x minus 4 by 3 is equal to 0. So that is nothing but 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. So the right answer is B. Question number 121. If alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to 3 are the zeros of the polynomial, then the polynomial is. If you substitute the values of alpha and beta in x minus alpha into x minus beta is equal to 0, we'll get as x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0 is the right answer. So the right answer is C. In other sense, we can write as alpha plus beta, that is equal to 2 plus 3, so that is equal to 5, and alpha into beta means 2 into 3 is equal to 6. If you substitute the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta in the given expression x square minus alpha plus beta of x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0, so we will get as x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So the right answer is C. Question number 122. If alpha is equal to 1 by 2 and beta is equal to 1 by 3 are the zeros of a polynomial, then the polynomial is. You can see in the explanation, the quadratic polynomial is written to be as alpha x minus alpha into x minus beta is equal to 0, or x square minus alpha plus beta of x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Alpha is given 1 by 2 and beta is given 1 by 3. So alpha plus beta is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, that is nothing but 5 by 6. And alpha into beta is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 3, that is equal to 1 by 6. If you substitute the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta in the given expression, the equation will be as x square minus 5 by 6x plus 1 by 6 is equal to 0. That is equal to 6x square minus 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. So C is the right answer. Question number 123. If alpha is equal to minus 2 by 3 and beta is equal to 2 by 3 are the zeros of a polynomial, then the polynomial is. As you learnt in previous question, alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3, that is equal to 0, and alpha into beta is equal to minus 2 by 3 into 2 by 3, that is equal to minus 4 by 9. If we substitute the values of alpha plus beta into beta in the given expression, we will get as x square minus 0x plus minus 4 by 9, that is equal to 9x square minus 4 is equal to 0. So the right answer is D. Question number 124. If alpha, beta and gamma are zeros of x cube plus 3x square minus x plus 2, then find the value of alpha into beta into gamma. We know the formula alpha, beta, gamma is equal to minus d by a. So by taking the values from given expression, the value will be as minus 2 by 1, that is equal to minus 2. So the right answer is A. Question number 125. If root 5 and minus root 5 are two zeros of the polynomial x cube plus 3x square minus 5x minus 15, then find the third zero. If you substitute the given answers in given polynomial p of minus 3, p of minus 1, p of 1, p of 3, we'll get as answers p of minus 3 is equal to 0, p of minus 1 as 2, p of 1 as minus 6 and p of 3. So one of them is remainder as 0. So the right answer is A answer, that is equal to minus 3. Question number 126. Find the product of the zeros of x cube plus 4x square plus x minus 6. We know the formula for alpha into beta into gamma is minus d by a. So minus of minus 6 by 1, that is equal to 6. So the right answer is B. Question number 127. If p of t is equal to t cube, then find p of minus 2. If we substitute the value of minus 2 in place of t, we will get as p of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 to the power of 3, that is equal to minus 8. So the right answer is C. Question number 128. If two zeros of the polynomial x cube plus x square minus 9x minus 9 are 3 and minus 3, find the third one. So you see in the explanation, if coefficients of odd powers of x is equal to coefficients of even powers of x, then we can say as x is equal to minus 1 is a 0. And another way is if you substitute the values of the given answers in the p of x, so p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square minus 9 of minus 1 minus 9 is equal to minus 1 plus 9 minus 9, that is equal to 0. So we can say as A is the right answer. Question number 129. If the sum of the zeros of the polynomial 2x cube minus 3kx square plus 4x minus 5 is 6, then find the value of k. We know the formula for alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. So by taking the values from the above equation, the answer will be like this: minus of minus 3k by 2 is equal to 6. If we multiply 2 with 6, we will get as 12. So 12 divided by 3, that is equal to 4. So the value of k is equal to 4. So B is the right answer. Question number 130. If alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to 2 and gamma is equal to 3 are the zeros of a polynomial, then the polynomial is. By taking the sum of alpha, beta and gamma, we will get as 6, and alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha sum is equal to 11 and alpha beta gamma is 6. So these three values, if we substitute in the given formula, we will get as x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. So C is the right answer. Question number 131. If alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to 1 and gamma is equal to minus 1 are the zeros of the polynomial, then the polynomial is. As previous question, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 1 and alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to minus 1 and alpha beta gamma is equal to minus 1. If you substitute these three values in the given expression, we will get as x cube minus 1 of x square plus minus 1 of x minus of minus 1. So that is the equation is equal to as x cube minus x square minus x plus 1. So B is the right answer. Question number 132. If x plus 3 is a factor of 2x cube minus x minus b plus 9x square, then find the value of b. If you take p of x as 2x cube plus 9x square minus x minus b, we substitute p of minus 3, we will get as 2 into minus 3 whole cube plus 9 into minus 3 whole square minus of minus 3 minus b is equal to 0. So after simplification, the value of the b is as 30. So D is the right answer. Question number 133. If the degree of x to the power of 5 plus 3x to the power of 4 plus 4x to the power of 3 plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1 is 4, then find A. As you know, degree is the highest exponent of the monomials present in a polynomial is 4. So that's why ax to the power of 5 is removed. If we remove A, means if A is equal to 0, ax to the power of 5 will be 0. So remaining equation will be 3x to the power of 4 plus 4x to the power of 3 plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1, which has degree as 4. So the right answer is A. Question number 134. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 5x plus 6, then find 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So alpha beta formula is minus b by a. By taking minus of minus 5 by 1, we will get as 5. Alpha beta is equal to c by a. So 6 by 1 is equal to 6. By substituting the values in the given expression, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is nothing but alpha plus beta by alpha into beta. So the value of alpha plus beta is 5 and the value of alpha into beta is 6. So the right answer is 5 by 6. So D is the right answer. Question number 135. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square plus 4x plus 4, then find 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. We know that 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is nothing but by taking LCM we will get as alpha plus beta by alpha into beta, that is equal to minus 4 by 4. So that is equal to minus 1. So the right answer is D. Question number 136. If alpha and beta are the zeros of of the polynomial x square plus 4x plus 4, then find 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. You can see in the explanation 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. By taking LCM, we'll get as in the denominator alpha square plus beta square. So beta square into 1 is beta square, alpha square into 1 is alpha square. So in the numerator, we'll get as alpha square plus beta square. So we know the formula alpha square plus beta square is nothing but alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. By substituting the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, we'll get as minus 4 whole square minus 2 into 4 divided by 4 into 4. That is equal to 16 minus 8 by 16. So that is equal to 8 by 16, that is equal to 1 by 2. So A is the right answer. Question number 137. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 5x plus 6, then find 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. As previous question, if you substitute the values alpha plus beta is 5 and alpha into beta is 6 in the given expression, we will get as 25 minus 12 by 36, that is equal to 13 by 36, that is equal to 13 by 36 is the right answer. So right answer is B. Question number 138. The sum and product of the zeros of a quadratic polynomial are minus 1 by 3 and plus 1 by 3 respectively, then the quadratic polynomial is dash. We know that quadratic polynomial is x square minus alpha plus beta of x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. So alpha plus beta value and alpha into beta value given in the question as minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. If substitute the value in the given expression, we will get as alpha square plus 1 by 3x plus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. So it is equal to 3x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So A is the right answer. Question number 139. If the zeros of a quadratic polynomials are 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 respectively, then the quadratic polynomial is dash. As previous question, if you substitute the value of alpha plus beta as 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1, and alpha into beta is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 4. Substituting the given expression, we will get as x square minus 1 of x plus 1 by 4 is equal to 0. So that is equal to 4x square minus 4x plus 1. So D is the right answer. Question number 140. The sum and product of the zeros of a quadratic polynomials are minus 4 and 4 respectively, then the quadratic polynomial is alpha plus beta is given as minus 4 and alpha into beta is given as 4. If you substitute the value in the formula, we will get as x square minus of minus 4 x plus 4 is equal to 0. So x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. So the right answer is B. Question number 141. Find alpha minus beta whole square from the polynomial x square minus 4x plus 4. We know the formula alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. So by taking the values from the given expression, A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 4, C is equal to 4. Alpha plus beta is minus B by A, that is minus of minus 4 by 1, so that is equal to 4, and alpha into beta is equal to C by A, that is 4 by 1, that is equal to 4. So the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta in the given expression, alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta, that is equal to 4 square minus 4 into 4, that is 16 minus 16, that is equal to 0. So the right answer is B. Question number 142. 0 of the polynomial in the given graph. As you can see, the graph touches x-axis at the 2 points, that is 2 and minus 2. So the right answer is A. Question number 143. 0 of the polynomial in the given graph. So as you see, the graph is touching the x-axis at 2 points, that is 2, 3. So the right answer is B. Question number 144. 0 of the polynomial in the given graph. You can see x-axis and the graph are intersecting at point 1. So the right answer is C. Question number 145. Zeros of the polynomial in the given graph. As you see, the graph and x-axis are intersecting at 1. So the right answer is C. Question number 146. 0 of the polynomial in the given graph. As you see, the intersection of the curve and the x-axis at minus 2. So the right answer is A. Question number 147. 0 of the polynomials in the given graph. As you see, the intersection of graph and x-axis at 3 points, those are minus 4, minus 1 and 2. So D is the right answer. Question number 148. Number of zeros of the polynomial in the given graph. As you see, the intersection of curve and the x-axis at 3 points, minus 4, minus 1 and 2. So 3 is the right answer. So the right answer is D. Question number 149. Number of zeros of the polynomial in the given graph. As you see, the curve and the x-axis are intersecting at minus 1. So it has 1 0. So the right answer is A. Question number 150. Number of zeros of the polynomial in the given graph. You can see the intersection of x-axis and the curve is at 4 points, at minus 3, at minus 1, 1 and 3. So there are 4 zeros. So the right answer is C. So this is the last question of this chapter. Thank you for watching, and we will meet in next video with a new chapter.